Hello everyone, hi, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a 5 minutes craft, something easy that you can do even if you don't have a sewing machine at home. Trust me, it is very easy. They're quite easy and you can use scraps of fabric. You don't really need to use so much. Okay, so today we're going to be using this fabric. Okay, this is Ankara fabric. Okay, we're going to be using our needle and thread. Okay, so quickly let me show you what we're going to do. First things first, we're going to iron at the back of this fabric. Because if you have very soft fabric, you're just going to use fusible lining, interlining to iron at the back of it. Okay, I have done mine here. Okay, I'm going to be measuring out 4 inches by 4 inches. I'm going to fold it along this line. So I'll get to 4 inches. I'm going to measure this by 4 inches, like the 4 inches that I marked. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and measure, take it from this corner here. That's 4 inches. I hold my hand here, okay, and mark out my 4 inches. Hold my hand here, mark out my 4 inches. Hold my hand here, mark out my 4 inches. Hold my hand here, mark out my 4 inches. And I connect. After connecting, cut it out. So there we go. So I put it on all of these and cut it out the same. The next thing, I'll take my needle and thread. Okay, take my needle and thread. I'll take one like this. Okay, you can use your gather stitches. You can use it like this, gather stitches. Start on the edge here. And run gather stitches around. Okay, this is it. And you turn it inside out. You turn it inside out after running your gather stitches. Then we take another needle and thread and sew it all the way up to this place here. So we still have our thread here. Take another needle and thread. Start all the way from here. Cut off this green thread that I use for making the smaller stitches on the edge. And after sewing and cutting here, we turn it to the other side. After turning it to the other side, okay, after turning to the other side, you face your stitches, okay, halfway like this. Make it into a cone and let the stitches be hid at the back. Then now pull your gather stitches that you made earlier on pull them, pull it, pull all your gather stitches that you made, and you have this. Don't cut off this thread, keep it on because we're still going to use it. So we're going to do that all the other ones. Now I'll come back and show you. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing now is taking my needle and thread. So what I want to do is I want to pull all of them together. So I'm just going to take my needle and pass it through, okay, this way. I've already knotted the needle at the other end, the thread. I just pass it through the first one. Okay, we have 6 here, 6 petals. You see, I tightened it and it came out looking nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and pass this thread around inside, back through the petals once more to tighten it. Okay, and I'll show us. So after wrapping it around the second time, okay, I'll just come and I'll tighten it. It's gone around the second time. Pull out all the other threads, okay, that are here. All the threads that I use that are here, I pull them out. Make sure that they're firm, okay. Make sure that it's firm. Then I can now cut. After cutting, I'll take a small piece of my fabric. You can see here, just a tiny piece. Maybe like 1 inch by 1 inch. I'm going to use it to cover up my dirty work here, and I'll be using my glue gun to do that. I'll just apply glue all around here. Apply glue. And stick it down. There we go. After doing that, I have knotted this. Then you can now cut this off. Okay, after cutting this off, I want to put something here, something nice, really cute, that will make you look cute. So you can use any of the accessories. I am going to be using this flower. Just put something at the back, and I'll stick it down there in the middle. Arrange out the flowers to look the same. Just arrange them out. Put that in the middle. Okay. Then I'm going to also use this. I want to use this because it's going to be on my hair. So I'll turn it over here on this part here. I'm just going to put a long strip of glue and stick it down on this part right here. So there we go. This is our hairband. It's beautiful. If you enjoyed watching it, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, send your comments and likes. See you in the next one. Bye.